good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 9 from verse 10 to verse 17. Jesus feed over 5,000 people. The apostle them come back and tell Jesus all of what them do. Then Jesus take them and slip go one town named Bethsaida. But the people them find out which part him a go and follow him. Jesus then turn them back. He make them come. Him teach them about God's kingdom and him cure the one them when it sick. When the evening a come, Jesus 12 apostles them come to him and say, send the people them, make them go in at the town and district where they near you so, if you go look food and some if it on. Cause nothing of the out here so for them. Jesus answer them say, uno give them sitting for yam. They answer Jesus and say, we have only 5 bread and 2 fish. If we feed a crowd of people here, we have to go buy food. About 5,000 man did it. But Jesus said to him special follower them, make the people them group up and sit down. About 50 somebody for they in a one group. Jesus special follower them do him tell them and everybody sit down. Jesus take the 5 bread and 2 fish and him look up in the sky, give thanks and broke up the bread them. Him give them to him follower them, for them give the people them. Everybody name till them belly full. And Jesus follower them full 12 basket with leftover food. And Gad Wod Dis, thank God.